is Hua, and I'm doing a 3-day Keto Egg Fast collaboration with Michelle over at Life Adventures and Keto. Make sure you send her some love. I'm going to add her channel up here. Go over to her channel and show her some love. She's also doing the Keto 3-day Egg Fast. Today is Keto Egg Fast Day 3, and I'm so glad that today is the last day. I am getting really tired of eggs, but I will be making a pizza egg. I believe that's what it's called. And that's probably the most creative egg recipe I made throughout this 3-day Keto Egg Fast. Well, make sure you hit the notification bell because I will be releasing my 3-day Keto Egg Fast results video tomorrow. Thanks so much, you guys. So I just pulled out the cheese pizza egg. Now keep in mind this recipe that I got online is very caloric dense, so if you are watching your calories, then you might not want to use this recipe as part of your egg fast, but since I haven't eaten anything today, I'm gonna make it work for me. So, and I'm also gonna have a Coke Zero, so that is gonna be my first meal for egg fast day 3. Guys, so this pretty much concludes my egg fast day 3. I am very happy that I completed this collaboration with Michelle over at Life Adventures and Keto. Make sure you send her some love. I will have our YouTube channel linked down below and also in one of the iCards. Thank you so much for following me on this egg fast diet. Like I said earlier, I did do intermittent fasting with the egg fast, and I think that's what really helped me through. I was also very busy. Now, I have done a 5-day egg fast in the past, and during that egg fast, I did cook a variety of different types of eggs. On this 3-day egg fast, I was super busy at work and also very busy with also my personal life. So I really didn't get a chance to really create some fun egg recipes. I kept it really simple, as you saw. I ate a lot of scrambled eggs. I'm really tired of scrambled eggs. And I also had about 2 to 3 ounces of cheese per day, and that really helped me get through. I also did have a Coke Zero every single day. I ate about 6 eggs per day, and I think the egg fast recommends anywhere from 6 to 12. But I am really happy that Egg Fast Day 3 is over. I hope you guys have enjoyed this series with me. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also make sure to go over to Michelle's channel and subscribe as well. Thanks so much, you guys. I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.